on the couch with Koel.
Us girls from Delhi would go weak in the knees every time the oh-so-gorgeous Arjun Rampal walked the ramp. Then he walked away to Bombay. And in spite of the hits, he seemed to get lost amongst the crowd of superstars. That was yesterday. Today, he's a rock star through and through. And those knees are going weak all over again. Arjun, I'm making a lot of girls green with envy with having you on my red fur couch.
Am I? What do you do on this couch?
Well, you're about to find out what I do.
Yeah,
I ask you questions, you answer. Okay. Are you getting nervous? You don't have to hide your hand behind that, okay? Take it out. Okay, to start with. Actors don't have much objectivity, right? Like, we kind of can't step back from a film too early. When was the moment that you realized that Rock On was going to be a big hit or was already a big hit and that you were going to get the major credit for it?
Well, when I read the script, it's not about the credit part of it, but when I read the script, I was totally floored. And at that point in time, I knew with the sensibilities of Excel and the way Abhishek really wanted to do the film, we were going to go out to do something new. Now, I didn't know because it's so new that you don't realize what's going to happen with it. When I saw it in totality, I thought Abhishek Kapoor has done a fantastic job.
What happened when you first saw the film? Did you know the kind of impact it would have even then, like in the first screening?
When I saw it, yes, I knew it. I mean, yeah, I just knew it. I said this film can't go wrong. I said this film is really beautiful. It's flawless. There's so many lovely things you can discuss about every single character. You know, there's little things people have done within the film which are really endearing and beautiful. The soul of the film was really their relationships. And they could have been in any walk of life.
But were you apprehensive of sharing screen space with like 4 boys?
My little bit of advice that I can give in my experience of acting is, it's not the quantity of the role, it's truly the quality of the role. You know, it is how much the role is allowing you to get into it and to do something which you really believe, and then can it reach out. The nicest compliment was when musicians have SMS'd me and said, we totally relate with your character. You know, we've gone through that pain. We've gone through, you know, just sitting, waiting for the telephone to ring. But you've given us hope. And thank you for that.
Especially because that's the bit that you're kind of like, okay, am I going to reach out to the people who I'm representing?
Yeah. And when that comes to you, I think that for me is, I'm like, wow, okay, I did my job now. If anybody else hates me in the movie, I don't care.
Did you have to, I know Farhan had to audition for the role. Did you have to do that?
I would have slapped them if they come for audition.
Okay, don't slap me.
No. But you know, I am the worst person to do an audition. I promise you, I kid you not. Okay, if it is, every time I modeled, okay, the only jobs I got were the jobs that I didn't audition for. Every job I auditioned for, I never got it.
Why? Nerves?
I think so. I think I just like choke and it doesn't work.
But you talk about nerves at another point, that you feel like your inside is being tied up so badly you can't even talk to your family, you can't talk to anyone before and after a release.
Yeah.
Tell me something about that.
I still get very nervous before a release. Now I've gotten much calmer. I used to be a complete wreck.
What did you feel like before Rock On?
See, there's so many new things in the film. There's new music, there are new actors, okay, there's a new director, you know. So I was extremely anxious to see either it will be really hated, you know, and they'll say, oh, what are they trying to do, or they are going to connect to it. The minute, I mean, the messages started coming in, A, we got a great opening, okay, B, from the afternoon shows were, I think, 70%. Okay, evening shows were 100%. Next day, all our shows were 100%. The Sunday, all the shows were 100%. Monday, all the shows were 100%, and there was no drop.
And it picked up
and then the reactions started coming in. The reviews were absolutely fantastic. I don't think any film has got reviews the way this film got reviewed.